In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a customer journey map in Prezi. This process will help you visualize the path your customers take from their first interaction with your brand all the way to their post-purchase experience. With clear sections and engaging visuals, a customer journey map can be an invaluable tool for understanding and optimizing your customer's experience. Let's get started by opening Prezi and creating a new presentation. Prezi is a powerful platform that offers a dynamic way of capturing and presenting ideas, and it's perfect for mapping out a customer journey. Once you've opened Prezi, the first thing you need to do is select a template. Look for one that has clear sections or a flow-style layout. This will help you organize different stages of the journey seamlessly and ensure that the map is easy to follow. Now, once you have your template, add a main topic and label it Customer Journey Map. This serves as the central point from which all stages of the journey flow. It acts as the anchor for the rest of your map and helps anyone viewing it understand its primary focus. Next, you want to create subtopics for each stage of the journey. These typically include stages like awareness, consideration, purchase, and retention. By dividing the journey into these segments, you can delve deeper into each part of the customer experience and analyze it thoroughly. The next step is to enrich these subtopics with details. Add text, icons, and visuals to describe the customer actions and touchpoints within each stage. This could be anything from a customer seeing an advertisement during the awareness stage to contacting customer service in the retention stage. Using icons and visuals can make the map more engaging and easier to interpret at a glance. To give an additional layer of depth, consider inserting emotion indicators or identifying pain points. These elements will illustrate the customer's emotional journey as they move through each stage, highlighting areas where they might experience frustration or delight. It's these insights that can lead to tangible improvements in your customer experience strategy. Finally, take advantage of Prezi's unique zoom paths. These allow you to guide viewers smoothly from one stage of the journey to the next, creating a narrative flow that mimics the actual progression through a customer journey. Zoom paths can often make the presentation more dynamic and keep the audience engaged by focusing their attention on one stage at a time. And that's how you create a customer journey map in Prezi. By visually mapping out every step, you can gain valuable insights into your customers' experiences and pinpoint opportunities for enhancing their journey with your brand. Thank you for watching and happy mapping.